So hello everyone, we are here today with Ligang August, and he is currently pursuing Bachelor of Fine Arts at RGU Rono Hills, Arunachal Pradesh. And we will today be asking about his process and his artwork that he has done in the past couple of days here at IIM Shillong, and we'll just get to know him much better. So welcome Ligang. So just tell us about what the past couple of days here has been in IIM Shillong as part of the artist residency program.
So for me, it was like very new to me. Like I've never stayed with many of the peoples. Like बहुत सारा students लोग के साथ बैठा, and they too from the different parts of the country. So yeah, it was great. And about the techniques and all, like हमारे जो सर है मजिंदर सर, उसके थ्रू से हमें बहुत सारा कुछ नया टेक्निक्स सीखने को मिला. And yeah, it was fun for me, and we still got 2 days, so I'll be enjoying that.
Also, just tell us about your artistic style, or what kind of mediums do you generally prefer to work with?
Mm, Actually, as for now, I'm using acrylic. But
Okay.
pehle, like when I was just starting to paint, I was using oil paints. So, but without any idea of that. तो मेरा like पुराना जो works है बहुत like condition बहुत ख़राब पे है. So yeah, after I joined BFA, and I have to like complete the works quickly, and also the commissions that I got have to be done in the time. So yeah, so acrylic was very best for me to like it's क्योंकि जल्दी सूख जाता है और like
Hmm.
it's now
Yes, yes,
I'm
yes.
used to acrylic, so yeah.
Okay, okay.
And about the techniques and all, I think अभी भी मैं experimental stage पे ही हूँ, तो
Okay.
techniques के बारे में तो कुछ नहीं कह सकता. But yeah, I'm more interested in the like painting about the people and all,
Okay, okay.
their life and their like struggles,
Yes,
their
yes.
sadness, emotions. So I'm more interested in that, and I like to portray them.
Mm.
So yeah, that's me.
So, also tell us how did you develop your passion for art, and what inspired you to do art as opposed to other careers, let's just say engineers, doctors, or any other uh, traditional careers, and you opted for art career. What was the inspiration or passion behind pursuing art?
So I think this answer will be very common to every artist, like every growing artist. Like कोई एक समय नहीं होता है like शुरू करने का या फिर इंटरेस्ट आने का. You just paint and you just like to paint, or maybe just drawing and all. So अगर कहूँ तो like बचपन से ही मुझे बहुत ड्राइंग्स करने का इंटरेस्ट था. like मेरे लिए इंस्पिरेशन कॉमिक्स से शुरू हुआ था. कॉमिक्स देखता था और वहाँ का उसको कॉपी करता था कैरेक्टर्स को. तो वहीं से and like my friends and my teachers, they have the great part in like for me to develop like interest in this painting and all. वो सब मुझे तारीफ़ करता था, like मुझे grow करने के लिए मुझे बढ़ावा देता था. And yeah, that's my thing. So
Also, uh, tell us about your creative process. When you, let's just see, a blank canvas is there in front of you, what do you generally take inspiration from to do a particular painting? How do you think about starting a painting and then actually finalizing it? What is your kind of process, if you can explain?
mm, so for the like for most of the artists, they used to like create a drawing about it. And like जब ideas निकलता है तो पहले लिखते हैं उसके बारे में, फिर उसके बारे में एक रफ स्केच बनाते हैं, फिर एक डिटेल ड्राइंग बनाते हैं. And then they put it in the canvas. But for me, means like it's different. I like to directly paint in the canvas and then manipulate the colors and adjust it by the time goes on. So that's my thing. And like I love uh, I love the colors and the process, and also I used to directly sketch it on the canvas. So
Okay,
yeah,
okay. That is a very interesting
yeah.
style, and also what keeps you motivated and inspired as an artist? I mean, any is there any specific artist that influences your work, or I mean, is there any specific artist that you take inspiration from?
Uh, this is tough to say because like I have so many like there are so many artists that I'm inspired of. So um,
Yeah.
recently like okay, I'll just say um, अभी मेरा जो कोर्स चल रहा है उस पर मुझे लाइक एक्सप्रेशनिज्म के बारे में जो आर्टिस्ट्री का अंदर पे आते हैं
Okay.
तो या आई केम अक्रॉस दैट आर्टिस्ट एडवर्ड मंक सो
Okay.
या आई लव दिस वर्क्स आई लव द स्टाइल एंड आई लव द टेक्निक्स of his works, so I'm more into like as a present I'm more into his
Okay.
works.
Okay. That is very interesting. Also, like up till now, you must have done a lot of art projects as well as done a lot of paintings. Is there any kind of difficult or challenging project that you have taken up till now? And if you have faced any obstacle while trying to complete it, and if yes, then how did you kind of overcome it?
Actually, every project I take is like a big challenge for me, and yeah, at the times, like I believe myself. It's not in a like egoistic way, but I believe in myself that I can do it. So I just, if I can't look that, I mean, at the moment, if I can't do it, like just take a rest. I don't give more pressure to myself, so that in the time is like if I have to complete it today itself, then I'll just take a moment. I'll just take a minute. I'll just walk around, and yeah, it really helps. And I would suggest other artists to do that same thing too.
Yes, because a
Yeah.
lot of the artists kind of face that art block, and as well as kind of just it gets monotonous over a period
Yeah.
of time, and they kind of seclude themselves away for some time to just get inspiration. So, I mean, has that kind of period occurred to you, or I mean, have you felt any art block up till now?
I believe everyone has that problems. Like art blocks, तो सभी के साथ ही होता है. Like ये artistic field पे तो like sometimes you can't even think, and it's like ऐसा feel होता है कि like इसके आगे क्या, और क्या मेरा limit इतना ही है, like, but you just give yourself a moment. Like next time you'll just create a new things, and inspiration के लिए तो हर जगह surrounding में तो सब जगह से तो inspiration मिलेगा ही.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
yeah, I just suggest everyone just take a moment, relax, and just go on.
Also, just tell us how have you kind of faced feedback as well as any criticism on your artwork, and has kind of feedback improved your artwork in the past couple of years or not? How have you how do you take criticism as well as feedback?
Um, candidly कहेगा तो like yeah, पहले तो criticism मेरे से नहीं जमता था. So but yeah, after like listening to my elders, the artist elders and all my teachers, I came to learn that the criticism are like the main thing for like very important for the artist. Like क्योंकि जब एक आर्टिस्ट जब कुछ बना रहा होगा, like it's a very one point perspective. So like जब पब्लिक कोई देख रहा हो, like ऑडियंस आपका आर्ट वर्क्स देख रहा हो, इवन द चाइल्ड देख रहा हो, तो उसका कुछ वर्ड्स को उसको आइडिया रहना चाहिए दिमाग पे, so that like maybe you miss something. I just complete it in that way.
Also, like, just tell us about if you have thought of any long-term or short-term goals in your future, and also just tell us how do you manage your time as well, doing both art as well as having other responsibilities as well.
Yeah, it's tough actually, like as being in a middle class family, so it's really tough to like think about all these things and like work to manage and all, but you gotta do some things. And about the future, yeah, we have to think about that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it is. Even I have. We recently talked with sir as well, and the professor also said it. He is more kind of spontaneous. So I believe a lot of the artists kind of try to live in the moment and not too much think about the future as well.
yeah.
So also just tell us about your experience here at IIM Shillong as part of artist residency. In the past couple of days, you have made friends here. You live together and you have learned a lot from each other. So just tell us about your thought on the entire journey up till now that you have faced.
Uh, so my experience was very nice this past couple of days. या दोस्त बहुत अच्छी तरह से दोस्त बन गया मेरा और एंड या बहुत सारा चीज़ भी सीखा मैंने उन लोगों से, उन लोगों का लाइक प्रैक्टिस, आर्ट प्रैक्टिस एंड वो लोगों का इवन डेली लाइफ प्रैक्टिस एंड
Generally, a lot of artists get to learn from each other quite a lot, and I am sure that you have learned as well
Yeah.
quite from all the other artists. So just tell us about how challenging was the first as well as the second painting that you have done here at the artist residency program. It was for the first kind of painting, it was challenging to quite a lot of participants. So is it the same for you as well?
yeah, it was very challenging for me and yeah, it was very difficult. As the process we have to like combine the different parts of the pictures and all to make it a full-on composition. It was very hard and but yeah, we have to like adjust with the what we got, like जो मिला है उससे उससे कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, like तो मैंने just as I said like took a moment and just drew it and finally luckily it got like beautiful. So
Yes, yes,
yeah.
yes. So also just tell us about any specific techniques or skills that you would want to learn in future. I mean, apart from the acrylic colors as well as that kind of painting you are already doing, what other techniques or skills that you want to learn in future?
Sorry, I didn't get.
So let's just say a lot of the artists kind of try to do their work in one particular medium. Let's say acrylic colors or watercolors, and they don't try to challenge themselves with, let's say, oil painting or mixed media. So is it the same for you? Do you want to learn kind of new skills in art? If so, like what mediums would you like to paint or draw in future?
Yeah, it's very important to like try every medium that's available, and we have to create our own medium also when you're practicing art. So for me, yeah, I would like to go back to my oil paints, as like this time I would like to do it right. So yeah.
Just tell us about your idea for just the second painting that you have done here in artist residency. What is the kind of which poet kind of you chose and which particular kind of artist that you have imitated from?
Yeah. So about the second painting, it was like we were given the task of
Select.
selecting a poem that's on in Khasi language. Like the poem was written by Sosotam. It's a he's a very famous poet from here. And the poem that I chose was, the title was the days are gone. Yeah.
So, Ligang, just tell us your final thoughts on, or maybe just give words of inspiration to new artists that are currently watching, and they just want to enter into the art industry. What kind of motivating words that you would like to give to them so that they can pursue art for a long period of time?
I'll just say it in a simple way, like if you are interested in something, you should do it. Like you should think big, and you should you should try to do justice. Like just think about it. Why do you like to paint, and or maybe why do you like to dance? So just if you like something, then you should invest in this thing, that thing. So from my side, I'll just say all the best and like just do it.